No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yaar? What is this yaar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yaar. What is this yaar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yaar. No. Please take back your words. You can't say chair yaar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? कोई आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be a quorum of the House. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine, which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir.
listen.
Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
And yesterday.
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker, 1 second.
Sir.
1 second. Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable
Speaker,
Speaker
sir.
has
It
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I'm being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah.
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349. Under Rule 349. No. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman, sir. Chairman, sir. Speaker, sir. I am.
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman, sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I'm just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
can
sir,
come up